Welcome back to another interesting tutorial on how best to optimize your Windows PC. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to clean your disk for best performance on your Windows PC. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. The first thing you want to do on your Windows PC, press Windows plus X, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to press K on your Windows PC, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to LT, boot page 5, crash dump, basic data partition, right click on that, and the next thing you need to do is to simply go to property. So right here, under the property, in the general section right here, you have your hard drive or SSD capacity right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply, under the C drive right here, simply click on. So simply click on disk cleanup. Click on that. And this is going to pump up. So allow the cleanup to run completely, and with that, your hard drive is going to improve. Just like what you see right here, after successful running of the scan, then the system finds the total amount of this space you gain, which is about 245 megabytes right here. You can read the description right here. Windows keeps copies of all install updates from Windows Update. Even after installing newer version of update, Windows Update clean up, deletes, or compress older version of Windows that are no longer needed and taking up space you might need to restart your PC to complete the reset. What you need to do is to simply hit on OK and restart your PC. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to optimize your Windows PC for best performance and save more storage space on your Windows PC. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.